Zoho Books and FreeAgent. Two big names in accounting software for small businesses. But which one can truly handle your business needs? On one side, Zoho Books, known for its automation and robust features. On the other, FreeAgent, loved by freelancers and small firms for its simplicity. We're testing both on what actually matters, features, ease of use, pricing, support, integrations, and more. Forget the fancy marketing. Let's dive into the real experience. We'll get each category points so you can see a clear winner by the end. And trust me, the outcome isn't as obvious as you might think. So, here's the game plan. Let's map out exactly what we're comparing. We've got price, international support, features, ease of use, mobile and integrations, customer support, and banking plus tax tools. That's 7 big categories that really matter when you're choosing accounting software. Let's see how Zoho Books and FreeAgent stack up in each one. Let's kick things off with price. Zoho Books? Honestly, it's kind of a bargain. Super competitive plans, and if you're a small business in India, you even get a free tier. Plus, you can pay monthly or yearly, whatever works. The only main thing? Some add-ons will bump up the cost. Now, FreeAgent, it's all about simplicity. Just a flat monthly fee, and there's usually a discount for new users. But if your business grows, you'll probably notice it gets pricier than Zoho, and there's no free option at all. So yeah, Zoho definitely sneaks ahead here. Alright, moving on. International support. And, oh, this one's kinda wild. Zoho Books comes packed with multi-currency tax setups for places like the UK, US, Australia, even GST for India. Plus, it works in over a dozen languages. Sure, if your taxes are super niche, you might need some tweaks. FreeAgent, though, is focused on the UK amazing if you're all about that and making tax digital, but kinda stops there. If you're running a global gig, Zoho Books is your tool easy win for them. Now, let's talk features. This is where some tools show their true colors. Zoho Books is honestly loaded. You get inventory management, a client portal, time tracking, heck, even quotes and purchase orders. The only sideways look, payroll is an add-on, not built right in. FreeAgent, meanwhile, is a dream for sending invoices, has slick bank feeds, plus some nice project tracking. But if you need inventory or full purchase order stuff, you'll notice it's lacking, and, sorry, payroll is just not happening here. Zoho Books absolutely steals this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. FreeAgent actually started as a tool just for freelancers. But now, it's powering over 120,000 UK businesses. Talk about a glow-up. Ease of use? Ooh, a classic toss-up. Zoho Books looks amazing and walks you through setup, but honestly, it can throw a lot at you, especially if you're new to accounting. FreeAgent, on the other hand, nails that I just want things to works vibe. It's super intuitive, especially for freelancers and contractors. The downside? Not as customizable. So if you want simple and friendly, FreeAgent is totally your sidekick here. Next up, mobile and integrations. Here's something cool. Zoho Books has killer mobile apps for both iOS and Android, and it plugs right into all sorts of stuff like payment gateways, Zapier, and of course other Zoho apps. Some integrations, though, come with a price tag. FreeAgent holds its own with solid mobile access and connections to UK banks, Stripe, and PayPal, but the third-party app scene is pretty limited. So if you love doing things on your phone or need unique tools hooked up, Zoho Books is in the lead. Customer support. Now this one's fun. Zoho Books offers 24/5 support with email, phone, live chat, the works. The only catch outside India, response times can be a bit unpredictable. FreeAgent, though, is super UK focused. Their support is actually famous among small businesses for being responsive, especially if you're based in the UK. Just know, weekends are email only. But for friendliness and attention, FreeAgent definitely feels more personal here. Advantage to them. Alright, let's round it out with banking and tax tools. Honestly, if you're in the UK, FreeAgent basically spoils you direct HMRC compliance. VAT sorted, self-assessment made easy, all that stuff. Zoho Books still covers a ton, lots of bank feeds, does reconciliation, but things like making tax digital and payroll require some extra integrations if you want them UK style. So for banking and taxes, FreeAgent takes the win, especially for UK businesses. If you look at the full comparison, it's pretty clear. Zoho Books sweeps most categories, especially when it comes to global reach and features. FreeAgent, though, has its moments, particularly when you're in the UK or you want easy, friendly support. So, to wrap this up, Zoho Books is perfect if you're growing. You want all the advanced features, and maybe you need to work outside the UK. FreeAgent? It's the dream for UK freelancers or small businesses that honestly just want to keep things simple and stress-free. That's the vibe. If this comparison helped you out, or you just love hearing about the nitty-gritty of business tools, make sure to subscribe. I've got a bunch more software reviews coming your way.